Okay, welcome to the Moodle import training. I'm going to go ahead and start with importing, showing you how to import your courses. The first thing you would do is start off in your empty shell. So this is a 2021 summer shell, and I'm going to add the content into that shell coming up. So you start off in your shell. And this is so simple, you guys. To import, all you do is go up to course management, click your course management tab, come to the third column and go down under course setting to import. Click on import. When you get there, you will need to put in your code because at this moment, import does not work with the CRN numbers, searching a CRN number. But you can add your code with the dashes. It won't work without the dashes. So you will put in your course code right here with the dashes and search. And I'm going to import the 2020 summer one. That's the one that I'm going to import into my 2021 summer one. So I want the summer one. I'm going to import that one. And you click it and then just click continue. When you get to this screen, since we want to import all of it, we're going to just jump to final step. And that's it. That is all it is to importing. So we're going to wait until it.
But you change dates, of course.
Oh, yes. You do have to go in. Once you import it, you have to go in and update.
Mhm.
But as far as importing the content in, this is it. And so now it's finished. You have imported. See, now we no longer have an empty shell. We have the last summer content in there. The only thing is, um, we have an online course standard that should be in each course. And we've been trying to get the faculty to go ahead and put it in their courses. This one does not have the online course standard. So I'm going to go through that right now and show you how to add it. Okay. The first thing you will need to do, of course, is turn your editing on. And this could be whenever you want to add any type. If you want to merge two courses, this is basically merging two courses together. So what I'm doing, I'm merging the new course standard into this course. Now, what you need to do, like I am going to take the top part, the first 5 blocks of the online course standard that we have. I'm going to be using those first 5 blocks to put into this course. So since I'm using the first 5 blocks, I need to take 5 blocks and put them at the top because you have to add your topic blocks where you want them, where you will be pulling content from. So I have 5 empty topic blocks right here, and I'm going to take them up to the top because I'm going to be pulling from out of the online course standards from the top. So I'm going to click the left side of the topic right here on the left, right? It's a little star. You can barely see it. But if you move your cursor there, it'll turn to a star and you click. You just click to where you want to move it to. And I want to move it all the way up to the top. So we're going to move all 5 of these empty topic blocks up to the top.
It works like a canvas.
Uh-huh. So now once they're up there, it'll go right up under the first one. It'll go up under the general, the first topic block. And that's where we want it. That's fine. So once there, now you can merge the online course standard into this course. Now, when you're merging, if you're merging something that maybe say I'm going to merge this course into another one and I want this chapter 4 topic block. What I would do is count how many blocks down it is. And the course that I want to merge into, I would count down in that course and put an empty topic block right there. So you have to have your empty block where you want to get your content. Okay, so now I have my empty blocks up here. So I'm going to go up to the course management again up there. And on the third column under course settings, I'm going to go down and hit import. This is if I have my online course standards backed up, and I do. So what I'm going to do is just hit import. And I do have it backed up, and I have it, let's just see, I might have to restore it, but let's just see. I'm going to put online course standards. See if I have it in here. I do. Yes. So since it is in my Moodle, I will go ahead and click that because I have it on my dashboard. So it's showing up. And I am going to continue. Now, instead of jumping to the final step, I don't want everything in there. So I'm going to click next. I'm not going to jump to that final step putting because you would jumble all content mixed in together. It'll be all mixed up. So when I get to this portion of it, this page, I would go ahead and delete. I'm sorry, I'm deleting all the checkbox out of here. So I'm going to click none to get rid of all the check marks that are in there. So now I'm going to choose what I want to pull over. And I'm going to pull over these top blocks. I'm going to get the welcome because I want to, I might need a syllabus block. I'm going to go ahead and throw this attendance in there too. And you can pull what you want over into your course. So I'm going to get this virtual office hours block next. And let me grab one of the links. I'm not sure if this faculty uses a third-party course. So let's just grab that just in case. We'll hide it in case she uses it. Here's an online testing requirement, the lockdown browser. We'll grab this in case she uses it. And you know what? I'm sorry, she uses open education resources. She does not use a third party. So I'm going to take that off. We don't need it. We're going to click the start here topic. And let's go ahead and grab the bio, intro, and intro. And course objectives. We're asking that you put course objectives into the course. So this is, well, this one doesn't count as one. You don't have to count the first one, but 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're using 4 topic blocks up at the top. We're not going to use any of these down at the bottom, all this week 6 to week 16. This is what you would use if you're building your own course. And you would actually back this one up, back up your online course standards. And then once you get it backed up, you would change that course that you backed up, the backed up copy. You would use that and build your course in there. Okay, so once that's done and you choose what you want, you go to the bottom and click next. This next page will show you what you've chosen. And all these after course objectives should be red X's because I want nothing down there to mix up in my content. Okay, once you get there, you can go ahead and perform import. And that's it. Because if you back up this course standard and have it in your dashboard, you back it up because you're going to have to self-enroll into it to back it up, or you can ask me to put you in. You would have it on your dashboard so you can import. If you do not have it on your dashboard, you probably would have to choose restore and restore it into the course. And do the same thing. You would get to that part where you would just choose what you want instead of import, you restore button. Using import is very easy. And now you can tell I have the course standards on the side. We have the library, we have the policies, the resources. Okay, this participant one, that must have already been there. We can go ahead and pull this back up to the top for the instructor.
When
Go ahead, I'm listening.
uh, there are standard college policies and regarding ADA, regarding attendance, regarding academic integrity, and so on. Do all of this um, im- get imported automatically?
Will all of it what?
Do all of this, the standard policies of the university
Mm-hmm.
get imported automatically,
So
perhaps
that's
on
what we're
syllabus.
doing now. Yes, we're importing the standards, the course standards,
Okay.
because it put we have the library on the side. It have all the policies here.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, and then all these resources for the students, the technical support. So those are, and as you can see, even the disability, the ADA. So they're here, the
Okay.
standards that you need in your course. And once you put them there, you can delete all this stuff. If you have other things, if you add it into your course and you already have all this Moodle for students, the resources, the library, you can take it out because now it's on the right hand side. So after you add the new course standard into your course and merge it in, as you can see, it's at the top.
Yes.
So then you can go ahead and start your cleanup. So, and that's basically all it is to importing and adding the course standard into importing the course standard also into your course. Thank you.